Hi, Robert and Susie Getz. We're from San Antonio, Texas. We brought in our 2014 Winnebago Aspect 27K. We chose the current model because we wanted something small enough to go into national parks and things like that, but we wanted it big enough, and it's got plenty of room in there to hold everything we need to live on the road for 3 to 4 months at a time. What we love the most about RVing is being outside and being away from other people. That's bad. We've been RVing for about 11 years. 3 or 4 years ago, we started to look for better suspension. We always noticed the RV swaying when we turned and leaning and things like that, and always scraping the bottom. So we've been looking for something for a long time to lift us up and stabilize us. We found out about WeldTec Designs by him searching the internet all the time and following WeldTec for the past at least 2 years. Our overall experience with WeldTec Designs has been top-notch. I mean, from the girls in the office that walked us through everything, we actually met Jeremy, talked about a few things we were unsure of, and he cleared our minds. And to the guys working out here in the shop, everybody's been amazing. If somebody were thinking about coming to WeldTec for an upgrade, we'd tell them they needed to go for it. It's a great ride out here if you're coming out, far away, or it's just been a great experience, and I can't wait to take it on the road.